Hello again from your Smart House consultant. Our firm provides you with the latest innovative smart home solutions with both OK Google and Amazon technologies. Today, we are going to demonstrate the power of a connected home. A smart house is really about your lifestyle, your user experience with your connected home. You can see from our use case we don't command any platforms such as OK Google or Alexa to open our garage door. Once we enter the garage door, the light illuminates and the garage door opens. Visit us today and meet our Alexa champion and start your exciting journey in home automation. Thank you for taking the time to view our video clip. Have a great day.